How to set ringtone for specific contact on your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra or any other latest Samsung S25 series. So first of all, open the app drawer on your device and find the phone app. Tap the phone app. Now select the contact from the list. You want to set a ringtone for contact. Here we select this. Now tap the I button. Now at the bottom you can see the different option. Tap the three vertical dots or more at the bottom right corner. Here you can find the option change ringtone or vibration option on your Samsung S25 Ultra or any other latest Samsung One UI 7 devices. So tap the change ringtone or vibration. Now here you can find option ringtone and call vibration option. So tap the ringtone. So first of all you need to allow to access music and audio on your device. So tap on allow. Now you can directly go to your ringtone settings. Here you can select the custom ringtone if you already added. If you want to add a custom ringtone or a downloaded song from your device, tap on the plus icon at the top right corner. Here you can select track, album, artist or folder. In the folder you can find your downloaded song or MP3 tone on your device. Just tap on it. Select the MP3 tone you want to set. Here we select this. Tap on a done at the top right corner. When you tap on done, it will you can find this ringtone in this list. Just select it to set the default ringtone on your Samsung S25 Ultra or any other Samsung device. That's it. If you like it, share it.